Hey, this is Shauna from Bathtubber, and today I'm going to be talking about why I meditate in the bathtub and how you can do it. So, the reasons I meditate in the bathtub as opposed to on dry land are because, first of all, I'm a beginner meditator. I've been trying it actually for years with no success. Whenever I sit on my yoga mat and try to meditate, my mind wanders like crazy, my back starts to hurt, and I'm just miserable. Now, the point of meditation is to train your brain to focus on the present and focus on the breath, so you can let go of the monkey mind, as they call it, when your mind seems to jump from one thought to another, and learn to pay attention to what's happening in the here and now. When I get in the bathtub, as opposed to on dry land, I fare much better, and I do feel like I'm making progress training my brain to pay attention to the present. I think there are a couple reasons for this. First of all, in the bathtub, the hot water is assisting me in slowing down my nervous system and relaxing. Second of all, I can lay down like this and I don't have to worry about my back hurting from sitting for so long. Third of all, in the bathroom, I'm much less likely to be interrupted by other family members. So, for all of these reasons, I love meditating in the tub. And finally, I realized that just like I like writing at a certain spot in my house, it cues my brain, hey, this is writing time. I like meditating in the tub because it's cueing my body, hey, this is the spot where you are used to meditating. And my body seems to fall into the habit. So with that, I want to show you some techniques you can use for meditating in the bathtub. The first is called alternate nostril breathing. It's sort of mental gymnastics, and to do it, you're really going to have to think only about the breath. So what you do is you take your 5 fingers, fold down the middle 3, and you're going to use your pinky and your thumb to alternately block your nostrils. You're going to inhale for a count of 4, exhale for a count of 4. Inhale for a count of 4, exhale for a count of 4. And you're going to block your nostrils, so it looks like this. When you do alternate nostril breathing and you do maybe 10 rounds, you're gonna definitely feel the clearing of your mind and the relaxation. Another strategy you can use to meditate in the bathtub is to inhale and say a mantra to yourself and exhale and say a mantra to yourself. So on the slow inhale through your nose, you might say something like, the world supports me. And as you exhale, you might say something like, everything is as it should be. So let's try that. We'll close our eyes and inhale through the nose. And in your mind, you're gonna say, the world supports me. And when you exhale, everything is as it should be. For more ideas about how to successfully meditate in the bathtub, head over to bathtubber.com/meditate. And I'll see you over there and we'll talk a lot more about bathtub meditation.